Are you looking for the perfect appetizer for the holidays? Then look no further. These Christmas pinwheels are flavorful, they're vibrant, and they have that festive appeal to it. So get ready to learn how to make these Christmas pinwheels for you and your guests. Let's get started. A few of the key ingredients that you will need are your favorite lunch meat. You can use chicken breast lunch meat, or you can use turkey, just whatever lunch meat that you would like to use. You're going to use a cream cheese, and you want to make sure that this is softened to room temperature, and garden spinach herb tortillas. Okay, so first we're going to go ahead and take our cream cheese, put that in the mixing bowl, and we're just going to break this up a bit best you can. Next we're going to go ahead and put some honey in with the cream cheese. We're just going to give this a good mix together. Okay, and then after we're done mixing this, we're going to take some almonds, and these are the sliced almonds. Some dried cranberries added to this as well. And we're going to go ahead and add some green onion. Let's give this a good mix in. And we're going to put some spinach. Okay, so next we're going to take one of our tortillas, and we're just going to spread some of this good old topping all over the tortilla. And you want to get it as close to the edge as you can. Then we're going to put our lunch meat on it. Next, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to tightly roll it up. And you can cut off the edges here. And we're just going to cut it into nice little slices. And it should easily cut right through. And we're just going to repeat the process until we run out of the filling and ingredients, and you make however many you want. All right, and here it is, our Christmas pinwheels. Okay, and we just want to share some scripture with you. We're in Isaiah chapter 9, verse 6. And it says, "For a child will be born for us, a son will be given to us, and the government will be on his shoulders. He will be named Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Eternal Father, Prince of Peace." And we just want to remind you that while we're all sitting around the Christmas tree and unwrapping presents and spending time with family, that it's not about the gifts, it's about Jesus. He's the reason for the season. Christ has come to die for us all so that we may spend eternity with him in heaven. So we just wanted to remind you that his love is the greatest gift of all. Have a blessed week. Enjoy your family. Merry Christmas. If this video was at all helpful to you, I said you go ahead and give us a thumbs up and press that like button. Also, if you could please press that hype button. It helps get our videos out there and we will greatly appreciate it. Comment down below and let us know, are you going to try these Christmas pinwheels? And don't forget to check out our latest video uploads.